Hi there. You may have seen this puzzle before. It's where you get 10 coins and you make a triangle that points upwards. And these coins are actually Australian round 50-cent pieces that I'm using. And the puzzle is to move the least number of coins to get the triangle to point downwards like that. And the least number of coins is 3. And I take those 3 away. And I've left with 7 on the board. Put 2 there like that, 1 there like that. And there we go. The triangle is pointing downwards like that. Put the coins back in position. And then when I was doing that, I thought to myself, well, is it possible? Is it possible to move 4 coins and get the triangle to point downwards? And I think I said, yeah, it is. So if I grab 4 coins like that, and you can see there's 6 left in their original position. Put 1 like that, 2 like that, and 1 like that, and suddenly the triangle points downwards. So move all those back into their original position, all 10. And then the next one to consider is 5 coins. Is it possible to move 5 coins and get the triangle to point downwards? And I spent a lot of time on this, and I don't think I actually can do it. And I'll show you what I came up with. But I don't think it's possible just to move 5 coins. But say, for instance, I move those 5 coins, and I've left 5 there in their original position. And I put 1 there like that, 1 there like that, 2 like that, and 1 like that. Then the triangle is pointing downwards. But in the original triangle, there was actually a coin already in that position. So it might have been replaced with a different coin, but it's not really moving. It's more like a swap rather than a move. And you'll see why when I move it back into the original position, I only need to move 4 back to get the triangle back into its original position. So I actually don't think, I've tried many combinations, but I don't think it's possible to actually move 5 coins and to get the triangle pointing downwards. It's probably possible to swap coins, but not actually move them to a new location and get the coin to a location that doesn't have a coin already, and to get the triangle to point downwards. Now 6 coins is possible, so I move 6, leave 4 in their original position like that, and you can see there the 6 make the triangle point downwards like so. And then after 6, then I've got to show you 7. So 7, we move the original 6 again, plus 1 there, and we put that at the end there like that. And you can see there that the triangle, 7 coins, it's possible to move 7 coins, leave 3 in their original position, and get the triangle to to point downwards. And put those back, put all 7 back, and the next one to show you is 8. And then 8, I'll hang on to those 2 coins there and move 8 and 2 out there like that, 3, oops, 2 and 1, and then I've moved 8 and left 2 in their original position and got the triangle to point downwards. And then 9 coins. 9 coins is very similar to 7 and 8 in that I'll just hang on to that coin there, move all 9 and spin them around over there, and suddenly the triangle points downwards after moving 9 coins. So I'll put those all back into their original sort of position, and obviously 10 coins is you just pick up the whole triangle and point it downwards in another totally different spot where every coin moves. Okay, so it's possible then to move 3 coins, 4 coins, 6 coins, 7 coins, 8 coins, 9 coins, and 10 coins, and get the triangle to point downwards, but it's not possible to move 5 coins and get the triangle to point downwards. So I'm happy to be proved wrong, but yeah, it's just not possible from all the trial and error that I've done to get 5 coins to move 5 coins and get the triangle to point downwards. And by move, I mean actually moving a coin from one spot to a brand new spot, a spot that doesn't have a coin on it already. So obviously you can move 5 coins if you swap swap a position with a coin, but yeah, actually moving it to a brand new position that doesn't have a coin on it, I don't believe that's possible. Well, okay, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.